We'll guide you through how to fix WhatsApp voice message volume being low and you struggling to be able to go and hear it. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I'm doing this on an iPhone, but you should be able to follow the steps on other devices and do very similar fixes. So to go and get started, do just make sure your volume's turned up by using the buttons on the side of your phone. You can also go and open up your control center and try turning it up as well. Go and see if that solves the problem. If that doesn't solve the problem, then what we want to try doing is restarting WhatsApp. Sometimes it can just be a glitch and doing this can solve the problem. So what you can do is go and swipe up from the bottom and you can then go and fully swipe up on WhatsApp like so to go and fully close it. And then what you can do is go and open it up again, come back to the chat and go and see if that goes and solves the problem. If that solves the problem, then great. If it doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is performing a restart on your device. So what you can do is go and hold down the side power button on an Android, and you should then be able to go and tap on restart. On an iPhone, press the increase volume button, the decrease volume button, and hold down the side power button. Your phone screen should go black, and you should go and see the Apple icon, and your phone will restart again. Come back to WhatsApp and see if the problem is solved. Hopefully it is, and you can now go and hear voice messages at the normal volume.